Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at Defunct's new True Go Slim. So what we basically got is we got a slim version of their original True Go product which they released last year. Got one of those here in blue. So basically what they've done is they made a smaller slimline version of this original True Go. So in here, if you take a look, we've got the original buds in there with the multi-tip and everything. If you haven't seen it already, there's another video on the channel which shows us in a bit more detail. So essentially it's the same product. They've made a few tweaks and changes, few adjustments, few improvements, whatever you want to call it, to actually make this a new, better version of the original True Go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the box to start with. So on here, comparisons between this and the original True Go box that I've got here is that the packaging is very similar. Got this new design on there. But what you've got: powerful sound, secure fit, microphone, playtime, 14 hours on the original, 22 hours on the new. Okay, so one of the new upgraded features is the 22-hour charge case. Another new feature, if you look on the side, you've got a few of the points on the product here, so superb, secure fit and so on, but the notable one is that they've added volume control to the new one. So the original True Go didn't have volume control on the actual buds themselves, but they've added it onto the Slim. So that's another great new feature that they've added. The final one on there, the final new feature, is the actual product itself. So let's crack the box open and take a look. So we'll just take the lid off there. Okay, so we've got the product. Let's take it off there. Okay, so that is the new Slim. You'll notice straight away the difference in form factor. So it's a lot smaller than the original. Okay, thickness wise as well. So it'll fit in your pocket or your bag a lot easier. But then the addition, let's take the bud out of there. I'll take them both out. Just pop that there. The addition, the new thing that they've added, the third new feature, is this little bag of extras that they give you here. So what they've actually done is they've given wingtips. So the buds, the earbud part of the bud is actually interchangeable now, so you can actually change it for wingtips. So the idea being now that if you're into your sports, if you're doing running or gym activities, stuff like that, the bud tip's good anyway, the bud heel, sorry, is good for keeping it in your ear, but for additional support and security they've now included wingtips. Okay, so now you can change the top very easily. You just pull that off and then you get your bud tip. I think I've got the wrong side there. Your wingtip, sorry, my bad. So you just get that, stretch it over and pop that on. Nice and easy. So now you've got a wingtip on there. Okay, so that can now stay in your ear, so it hooks round. So like I say, if you're running or doing any kind of extreme activity, then that will stay put. Okay, so that's a really nice addition. So they've got two different sizes in there. You've got a larger one and a smaller one in there. So depending on the size of your ear, again, you should be able to find something to fit. But basically the biggest difference is obviously the form factor, the fact that they've gone for the smaller, slimmer bud. So everything about it is smaller. But like I say, you've got the three main additions. So the charge case is now 22 hours instead of 14 hours. You've got the wingtips included, and you've also got volume control on the back of the bud as well. So all in all, great new version of the product. You just pop it back in here. You see that the lights have gone green now to show you that it's actually charging up now in there, ready for next time you need them. USB-C on the bottom. Nice smooth finish with the Defunct embossed logo on the front there. All in all, very nice little product. I'm very pleased. I think that it's like I say, it's a great new version of an already great product, and I'm looking forward to trying them out. The audio quality, I've been assured, is very good. I will be testing them as I always do, and I'll put my comments down in the comments below. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching the video. Obviously drop me a comment if you've got any questions on the product. I'll hopefully be able to answer them. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks very much.